Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll share with you how to make a school uniform skirt with inverted pleats. It is a quick and easy to follow tutorial, and if you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe and let's get started. The materials I'll use for this work are uniform material, scissors, tape roll, straight roller, zipper, cutting and chalk. So the first thing I'll do now is to cut out the band. The band length is going to be the round waist measurement plus 2 inches. And the band is already on fold. The waist measurement is 21 inches. 21 inches plus 2 inches will give me 23 inches. And on fold, I have 2 inches wide on fold. So if you open it up, it's going to be 4 inches. So I'll keep the band one side. Now the next thing I'll do is to measure out the amount of fabric I'll need for the skirt. So I'll measure out the length of the skirt and also measure out the width of my skirt. So how I get the width is that I'll measure the waist measurement multiplied by 2. So I'll just add extra 2 inches to it just in case. So just for confirmation's sake, this fabric is already on fold. So I'm measuring this now on fold. So now that I've measured out the width I'll use for the skirt, I'll also measure out the length. The length for the skirt is 17.5 inches. So I'm going to add like 2 inches to that 17.5. That 2 inches will serve for hemming allowance. So now that I know the width and length I'll use for this work, I'll just go to cut it out now. After cutting, the next thing I'll do is to hem the down part. And I am done with that, and this is what it looks like. The next thing I'll do now is to show you how I make the pleat. The first thing I'll do is to open up the band, then I'll place the fabric on it this way. While I place the fabric on the band, I'll take note of the hem. I didn't mention pin earlier. I'll be using pin a lot for this work. So I'll pin the fabric down to the waistband, then I'll mark 1 inch. Now this 1 inch is going to be for the zipper. After I mark the 1 inch, I'll also mark 2 inches away. Then I'll mark 2 inches again. From that 2 inches, I'll mark 4 inches. So the next thing I'll do now, I'll use my pin. I'll pick this 2 inches from here and place it on this one and pin it down to the waistband. Then I'll pick this 4 inches also and fold it in to meet this other 2 inches. Exact point to that 2 inches where I pin it down, I'll also pin that down, and I'll do the same thing down to the end. So I want 4 pleats, which is 2 pleats at the front and 2 pleats at the back. Once I'm done with that, I'll place my tape on this pleat and mark out 2 inches. From that 2 inches, I'll mark out 2 inches again. Then from that second 2 inches, I'll mark out 4 inches. So now I'll pick this 2 inches to meet this one here. I'll pin it down and also pick this 4 inches and fold it in. Then I'll pin it to this other pleat. Now I'm using 2 inches because it's for a kid. If you are doing this for maybe a teenager, you can use 4 inches space. And I'm going to do 2 more of this, then I am done. Now when you are doing this, you notice that this side now there is the wrong face. You have a box pleat, while the outer part will have an inverted pleat. For this skirt, I want my front pleat to be an inverted pleat. So this is what it will look like after I join in. So I'll go ahead now and stitch it down. So I'll start with the stitching, and once I'm stitching, I'll stitch by 0.5 inch, and while I'm at it, I'll be pulling out the pins, and this is what it looks like after I am done joining. So the next thing I'll do now is to join the 1 inch I left for zipper to close the skirt up. And this is it. I've closed it up. The next thing I'll do now is to give it a good press. After I've ironed, the next thing I'll do is to attach the zipper. I'm just going to let you watch while I work on it. And there you have it. I'm done attaching the zipper. So the next thing I'll do now is to close up the band. So I'll first of all fold in the 0.5 inch this way. Then after that is done, I'll fold my band in this way and stitch it down. And this is what it looks like after I am done. I'll put it in this way and use my scissors to bring the tip out properly. I'll do the same thing for the other side. Then I'll put in my zipper into the band this way. Then I'll top stitch it. And this is what it looks like after I'm done attaching the band, the next thing I'll do now is to attach the button. So in order to attach the button, the first thing I'll do is that I will check out where I want the button to be, and I want the button to be this side. So that's basically all on how to make your school uniform skirt. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. See you in my next video.